What's up, everyone? My name is Kent Salas, and I am going to create a Java file which is included a EWT using GUI, and we are going to explore it with me. So, this is my Java file. It has a 457 lines. So, let's begin to simulate this file. So first, we have to import the java.awt as the library and also the event. The reason why I included java.awt.event, it's because we implemented some event action listeners or event functionalities in the system. So in the first that I build, I create a components of GUI, the public class, and the login components for the login sections and sign up, and also the dashboard. The dashboard is the dashboard of the system and its prototype. So I also added some design for custom hoverable button class, which has a functionalities of mouse entered or mouse listener, that when we put this marker into the button, it will hover color, and if we leave the button, it will change to normal color. So we are now starting to initialize the system. Let's have some title, tax monitoring system, with a width of 1000 and a height of 700. And also, we need to layout for screen switching, which is the card layout and equivalent to new card layout. That's the function for switching, for changing the screen to another one, and create new screen for login, sign up, and for the dashboard. That's it. So add Windows Listener for closing this window. So after we tap this button, it will close after we leave on that one particular section. And let's proceed and create welcome panel. For our dashboard, we created a welcome panel and set background to RS 240 to 40 to 40. So meaning it is calculated as in the center, and header, the content, the design content, and also those texts that we included to have a design for our login landing page. And let's add buttons for the login, sign up. And these buttons are responsible for the event. As what I said earlier, the buttons have its function for event. The add action listener, that when we are going to log in the button or press the button, it will automatically redirect to login page, and also same in the sign up page. Grid north and center. This is the design for the border layout. QBZ grid Y. The length is 5. So let's start creating login panel. Login or log into your account. This is the text, and this is an object, another object, form object, and the designs for username, the X and Y grid. This is the grid, and GBC is stands for the grid lines, or X just like the Cartesian plane, X axis and Y axis. And buttons, flow layout. For the login buttons, login functionalities would be implemented here. This is a alert alert function, but it is not. It doesn't have any function for it since we are using AWT. We have a limitations to create a function. Let's create buttons object. Welcome back to welcome and sign up instead, which will be shown for the next of this topic, and create sign up panel. These are just the design. Create sign up panel. The panel will be an object for the header, same the form, and also their input layouts, password, email, and buttons for the sign up. And this here are the buttons for rendering, same and the past or in the earlier, as what I said, it has an add action listener for the login and sign up deployment. Here, object here for the header, the dashboard, and for the object of welcome users, the navigation bars. This is the main context of sidebar. So row is 5, call span 1, each gap is 0, and also a V gap. So height gap and vertical gap. Sidebar panel, set background, color of R220 RGB. This is an RGB. Unlike in CSS, we use RGB directly and number or the value of the color. And with a width of 200 and 0 height. And this is object for the buttons, the analytics button, users, pending payments, and also the space layout. Space layout is 220. This is the color and empty panel. Logout button. Oh, this is still an object. And also the inside of analytics. So this is just a text for example showing. Same in the users and payments. Users, payments as all panel content area. So we are going to add content here for the added area in the dashboard. And card layout, analytics, panel main content for the new border layout. These are the design, the north center for the layout of the text in the buttons. And also object for showing analytics, show the user's data to retrieve this data. So we need to use these functionalities and also to show payments. And after that, we are good to go, and we need to close the program for the debugging. So after compiling it, as you can see, there is 9 plus bug in my code. So it is not important since my Visual Studio Code is not fully fully customized for Java, since this is my first language to generate. So let's run the program. After running the program, this will be the system landing page, the login and sign up. So push login, and still there is no function, no value added. We just go to login. So here is the analytics example of the data retrieval, users, and pending payments. There is no function as well. We just created an event listener for it to render in each buttons. So as you can see, zero gap and logout. So that's it guys. I hope you learned and see you on the next video.